Thank you so much. Oh, you're fabulous. And listen, I gotta tell you, I love that standing up business. That's a beautiful compliment. Would you like to hear my theme song? Yes. Okay.
You know, Jim, one of the great things, there were many great things about Liberace, but I love how much he cared about his fans. That's a really cool thing to me. And in this last segment, you could feel his excitement as he interacts with them. I mean, he takes their requests, he's shaking their hands. It's just
And he must have been hot in that outfit, but you never see it.
You know what? You don't feel it when you're a performer, I think. Hi, everybody. I'm Daisy Torme, here with my genuinely dear friend, Jim Thornton. I'm so happy to be here at KCET in Burbank.
Yes, we are. And right now, we'd like to take a moment and remind you to support the station that brings us to you and you these amazing presentations, KCET. Your generous donations help us bring enjoyable concerts, unforgettable performance like this one right into your living room. So please do your part to help us continue to bring the arts and make your contribution today. It's so easy. Donating is quick and easy. All you have to do is pick up that Liberace-style gilded phone of yours and call 1-866-523-200. The number's on the screen right now. We have operators standing by to take your calls, or if you prefer to donate online, just head right over to our secure website, kcet.org. Because here's the thing, KCET is a nonprofit, so your donations, by the way, are tax deductible. We love you. Your account loves you. And remember, if you would like your donation to be entirely 100% tax deductible, be sure to choose the no gift option. That's important.
That's right. Look, so you're making the call, you're logging on to the website, and you're just about ready to make your donation, but you think, hey, I'm being so good. I deserve a little treat. Honest, I think that every day. Trust me, I'm here to tell you, right here, I agree. We have a great selection of thank you gifts, so please give us a call, 866-523-8200, or get onto that website, kcet.org.
With your computer,
right?
Your Liberace computer.
It's all blamed out.
It's true, and it takes a lot to keep KCET running every day. It really does. And because we're a donor-supported station, we depend on you, our loyal viewers, for the contributions we need to bring you and your family quality programming, like BBC World News.
You know I love that.
You love that. I do too. To original series like Artbound Presents, Studio A, and, of course, Departures.
For 50 years, KCET has relied on your support to provide the wide variety of programming we offer. From musical concerts like the one we're watching, Liberace Live with the London Philharmonic Orchestra, to popular international shows and comedies, to groundbreaking documentaries. You're an integral part of our family, and your donation to KCET is truly the gift that keeps on giving. Please give us a call, 866-523-8200 now. Support your independent public media station. Plus, when you contribute, you can choose from a variety of thank you gifts. That's right, including incredible music from Liberace live with the London Philharmonic Orchestra. Let's take a look at the presents.
A candelabra, furs, and